Okay, now I'm going to take a break from wrench turning and see if I can't disassemble and reassemble this the way it's supposed to go on there. Okay, I know I have to take those off. So they're in the new bumper, and then put this new fascia, just stick it in there. I think that's all you have to do because it's got keepers. Let's see if I can do that without including the neighbors. Let's see. Okay, really nice. Alright, let's put this away. I only have all day. I got like not very long here. Oh wow, here it is. Oh no, okay. Oh, that's clumsy. Let's see. Gotta think about how this is gonna go on there, right? So this is. It's gonna go on there like this, I believe, because this is where the hook is. Yeah, see, this is where the hook is, over here on the left. And then you have the lights, which you're gonna take off. But then I gotta look at this. How's that gonna go? Let's see if it's open on the left or right. The electrical is over here on the left. So that's where yep, that's how it's going to go. It's going to go in like that. Oh, look, I got to pull that lower lip off of it. Anyway, where'd it go? Oh, it's right there. Anyway, yeah. Oh, man, it's real thin. It's like flimsy. It's different than the... Yeah. Oh, hey, get you up here. Looking down on me. Can you see me now? Can you see it now? How about up here? Can you see me now? Yeah, kinda, sorta. Kinda. Yeah, okay. Here. What the frickin' world? Oh my gosh, you just kinda put that in there like that. Wow, just push it together. Wow, you gotta try and push it together. Oh gosh, really? That one's hardy. It's not. This one's not. There it is. That's it, huh? Alright, that's that. That's where that goes, see? That goes like that. That's like a, I don't know, $100 piece right there. At least. There's a hole. I gotta pull these out. Oh gosh, I gotta find the right wrench. Yeah, I'm using this little thing. These are backer, Hardy Crack backers. T25 for these. See, that comes off like that. Let's stick it on this one. Oh no, you gotta, what happened? Oh shoot, you gotta take the whole chute match off. Oh crap, you're kidding me. Oh no, you gotta take the whole thing off. It's got 2 screws on it. Oh no, it's a different, that's 25. So there's 2 of them. 3. There's another one. Okay. This hole. Oh. How is this? How is it? There's no. Just keep shaking it. Oh, you still got it. Oh, that's what it is. That one. You have to take that one out. See, there's one step. Oh, gosh. Okay, I got it. Gotta disconnect this one. This one. The bottom one. This one. There's 4 screws. Just shake it and it comes loose eventually. Okay. Now what? Now you have to, oh yeah, flip it around. Flip it around. There. So now with it, yeah. Yeah. You see that on the, yeah, down here. Yeah, see it? On the, right down here somewhere. Yeah, it's kind of hard to see in the sunshine, huh? Yep, 4 screws down here in the end. Yep, 4 screws. See, this is all one piece. And you got it. Kind of fit it in here like this. Like this. Oh, this is weird. This is really weird stuff here. Oh, gosh. There. That's all. Just gotta beat it on. And beat it off, I guess. Come on. Where's that fork go? Oh, yeah, it's somewhere around here. Oh, yeah. Fourth one goes right there. It's on. Yep, all holes line up. Yep, those all line up. Yeah, and then you do the same thing over here. Yep, there's only 1 screw. Where's the other 3 screws? Oh, there they are. So then you do the same thing over here. You gotta beat it on. Let's see. Like that somehow. Yeah. Where's that? Oh gosh. Don't break it, Charlie. There. There. 4 screws. Back of this. 2 here. And then, oh, where that one's at? Oh, right here. And this one. There we go, that's all done. That's it. Yeah, most part. But yeah, that's a perfect fit, yeah. Okay, now the other piece. Gotta figure out how to pull this off. Oh gosh. Crowbar. Let's see, I'm keeping this piece, so I gotta be careful with it. Oh gosh. Oh gosh, I wish there was some other way to... Oh gosh. This is... Oh man. Really? Pretty extensive job. Oh, that's how you do it. You put your pry bar on the tooth, and then you bend back with the other one. Like that. Then push. And push down, and it comes out. Oh gosh. Oh no. Oh, but that's on the part that I'm keeping. Oh gosh. Yeah. Let's get down and intimate with this thing. Push. Yeah, there's about 10 more teeth on this thing. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Look at this boot. What's that for? Alright, there, that's done. Out with the old and in with the new. This one you're just going to cram it on. It's got all these teeth in it. And it comes in from underneath like this. I'm trying to think if there's anything I would need to do that would require... Oh, that's from that one. Let's see, just pull it up, I guess. Oh gosh, where do you start? I don't know where to start. In the middle, I guess. It's a thinner plastic than what the original was. I know that much. I'm having a hard time getting it started, too. I guess I'll start on the end like I did the other one. I think I'll start in the middle. There's something stuck in it. There's some rocks and stuff. Maybe those are in the way. Can't hardly push it down to get it on. Okay, we're going to wait till that gets back on the vehicle before I try to push this on. I can't get enough purchase. I can't hold it steady enough. Okay, well, that's basically done. It's flimsier, I know that much. Alright, we're done with that. Yeah, I gave up on that one, didn't I?